This expansive, roughly 130-acre tract consists of multiple parcels in desirable Yavapai County, Arizona. The property combines privacy with accessibility, featuring dirt road access that connects to nearby paved highways and regional centers. Situated in a scenic landscape, it remains isolated enough for peaceful country living while remaining reasonably close to Verde Valley communities, shopping, and major transportation routes. The land's defining feature is its surface water, which flows through the property along a defined river channel, adding significant aesthetic appeal and ecological value. This rare water access transitions from shaded river bottoms to elevated vantage points offering panoramic mountain views. Rich desert soils and access to these natural water resources create a favorable environment for light agricultural pursuits, grazing, or sustainable ranching consistent with the R1L70 zoning. Whether used for livestock or cooling off on hot summer days, the river access makes this a rare, usable land holding. Utilities are established, including the private well and septic system, providing a functional foundation for future improvements. This property offers a unique opportunity to own a generational ranch land defined by its natural features and prime central Arizona location. For more information and a private qualified showing, please call DJ Calvin at 970-371-9900.